Hello friends, welcome to Crisp class. I am Monica and today we will study triangle and its properties. Today we will study about Pythagoras theorem. See, the Pythagoras theorem is true only for right angle triangles. So let us first see what is a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. Here this angle is equal to 90 degree. Now see, in a right angle triangle one angle is always equal to 90 degree and the side that is opposite to this angle, opposite means this side, this is called the hypotenuse. This opposite side is called the hypotenuse. This is always the longest side in a right triangle. These two sides will always be smaller than the hypotenuse. Now this is called the base and this is the height. Let us take it as h, this as b and height as a. Hypotenuse is h, base is b and height is a. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, h square is equal to a square plus b square. Square of the hypotenuse is equal to the square of base plus the square of height. So this is the Pythagoras theorem. Now we will solve some sums based on Pythagoras theorem. See this question, find the unknown length x. Here the unknown length is x, this is 3, this is 4. So according to Pythagoras theorem, we know the Pythagoras theorem, square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides, means x square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square. This is square. When we write a small 2 over any number, this is called square. Square means if we write 3 square, that means 3 multiplied by 3. So now here x square is equal to 9 plus 16, x square is equal to 25, x square is equal to 5 square. So x is equal to 5. When x square is equal to 5 square, that means x is equal to 5. We cut these squares. So the value of x is 5 here. Now we will do another sum. A 15-meter long ladder reached a window 12 meters high from the ground on placing it against a wall at a distance a. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall. Ladder is 15 meters long. Reached a window 12 meters high. Window is 12 meters high from the ground. On placing it against a wall at a distance a. Distance is a. The distance of the ladder and the wall is a. So let us first make the figure. Suppose our window is here. So what are they saying? That the window is 12 meters high. That means this is 12 meters. The ladder is 15 meters long and it is at a distance a against the wall. If this is the ladder, this is 15 meters long and at a distance a. So this is the figure which we have got. So what we see is length of the ladder is 15 meters, the height of the window is 12 meters and it is placed at a distance a from the wall. Now we have to find the distance of the ladder from the wall, which is a. So we have to find the value of a. Now according to the According to the Pythagoras theorem, 15 square is equal to 12 square plus a square. Square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. This becomes a is equal to 9. Our unit is m. That means the distance between the ladder and the wall is 9 meters. Let us solve another sum. A tree is broken at a height of 5 meters from the ground and its top touches the ground at a distance of 12 meters from the base of the tree. Find the original height of the tree. Now see, the tree is broken at a height of 5 meters from the ground. Let's make the diagram first. Suppose this is the tree. Now they are telling that the tree is broken at a height of 5 meters from the ground. Suppose it is broken from here. This is 5 meters from the ground. And its top, this top, it touches the ground at a distance of 12 meters from the base of the tree. Base of the tree is this. Now this tree is broken. It has broken. This is like this, straight. But now it has broken like this. And it is touching the ground somewhere here. So this tree, it breaks from here and it comes down like this. The tree has broken at the distance of 5 meters. At 5 meters height, it has broken and it touches the ground here. At a distance of 12 meters from the base of the tree. Base of the tree is this. So this is 12 meters. It touches the ground at a distance of 12 meters from the base. Find the original height of the tree. We have to find this. This total. Suppose this is A. This is 5 meters, we know. Let us assume that the rest of the height is A. That means this will also be A, because this portion has broken and has fallen into a slanting manner. Now these two are same. This height of the tree, it has broken from here and is lying in a slanting manner towards the ground. Now we have to find the total height of the tree. Now see, according to the Pythagoras theorem. Here what is the hypotenuse? A. So A square is equal to 5 square plus 12 square. 25 plus 144. A square is equal to 169 is equal to 13 square. So A will be 13. The unit is meters. Now we have got the value of A. A is this, the rest of the height of the tree. But we have to find the original height of the tree, means the total height. So the total height, original height of the tree is equal to 5 meters plus A. So this is 5 plus 13, which is equal to 18 meters. So the original height of the tree is 18 meters.